Again guys, welcome again to the channel. It's the View 868. We want to talk about today is this kit I purchased for my camera. It's called a Movo Deluxe cleaning kit. It comes in its own very hard case which protects it, as well as use over the case for any purposes. The manufacturer states that you can use a DSLR or a point and shoot cameras, mobile phones, and even on the monitor. So far it's, to me, real good value. Also, I am not being sponsored by the manufacturers. Movo did not send this in any way for me to review for them, or am I being sponsored. This is not a sponsored video, right? And I want to show you unboxing later on during the procedure. I'll show you how good this is on the channel. So please subscribe. Like I say, like, subscribe, as well as share this content. Also comment down in the comments to tell me if you have one of these or a similar cleaning kit. Links will be in the description for the same exact kit, right? So thanks again. Peace.